Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a HYPEBEAST streetwear account in simple steps. Step 1. Go to the official Muddy Clout store and steal my designs and use this as a logo. Step 2. What you're then going to want to do is put as many keywords into one name as possible. These are just some of the things that came to my head that related to streetwear. I then decided to take this name and do some branding, because you guys know how much I enjoy spending time in Photoshop. So I whipped together this little image, which you can now see on screen now. This step is not necessary. Now, you need to make your first post so that you can become an internet superstar. So the thing to do is to find a very rare hype item that once had lots of attraction, get pictures of it and post it with a cop or drop text. But I am being original and using buy or Y because I don't copy people. Add flames and make sure to watermark your post and then post it onto your page. What happens here is lots of kids argue as to whether they should buy it or Y it, and this creates lots of clout. This will gain you followers and you should very quickly become verified, as you can see, and get lots of followers too, because everyone is interacting with your account. So now I have 100,000 and I'm verified. So where can you go from here? You can get brand deals, and merchandise companies can pay you to plug their products. This gives you money. You can also announce your own merchandise and sell your own merchandise on here. This gives you more money. Make sure all the time to be posting videos on your story of you flexing all your money, because this will inevitably attract more people giving you more money.
This shit costs more to your rent, my toilet costs more to your rent, everything in my bathroom costs more to your rent.
So that's a very huge important step. If you're looking at anyone that's done this in the past, there are a few case studies going on, but effectively you're going to want to look at. That's in a way it. Those Instagram accounts don't actually exist, but I do have social media that you guys can link up on down below. Don't take this video too seriously, it was only a joke. I'm kind of involved in the streetwear scene as much as social media goes. I sell Supreme from time to time, so no hard feelings to anyone. I've never made a video like this before, so let me know what you think. And a quick announcement as well. I'm going to be recording my first ever Q&A very soon, so there'll be some ways down in the description and in the comment section for you guys to leave your questions. If none of those work for you, then just drop them in the comments. I'll jump into the comment before making the video to decide if any final comments are going to make it in. You can ask me absolutely anything. It could be related to my graphic design stuff or just my personal life. Anyway, I'm now out of education for 1 year, so there's going to be lots of videos. Sorry for the dogs barking. And that's it, guys. Have a wonderful evening, have a nice sleep tonight, wake up thinking about your favourite YouTube channel, GriffinGFX, and I'll see you in the next video.
Since you've been gone.